let's get right into it. We have a 2024 Tesla Model Y that came to us like a lot of the Model Ys come with a black exterior and a standard black interior. And while Tesla also offers a white interior for their Model Ys, most customers want something a little bit more than that. And that's what we specialize here at T-sportline. We have a wide range of an interior program for your Model Y that lets you choose almost any color that you'd like to have. So let's go inside, let me show you what we did. This is a first for us, and then we'll come back outside and we'll talk about some of the other customizations. So check this out. Because it originally came from Tesla in black, the dash decor is wood and it matches up with the trim on the doors. And that's a really nice starting point for this new interior upgrade, because as you can see, this customer chose Nutmeg. This is a first for us and I absolutely love it. It is a perfect match with this wood interior trim. It's incredible. And you know what? We've never done this before. We've done darker shades of tan, we've done oranges, and all those look really good. But honestly, this is my favorite. I'd love to hear from you guys below some comments. You've probably seen all of our videos on Model Y interiors. What are your thoughts about this new Nutmeg color? I mean, isn't this great? It really does look good with this wood interior trim. So if you have a wood trim, I think this is the winner. So love to hear some comments again from you guys, what you think about that. Now let's go back to the outside. Because this car came with the original 19-inch wheels and tires from Tesla, the wheels are actually aero covers, as we all know, and you know, nobody's really a big fan of those, especially me. So I'm a firm believer in taking those aero covers off and replacing them with one of our style wheels. And this customer chose our 19-inch TSF wheels finished in satin black. Satin black is a great match because not only does it complement the gloss black of the Model Y, but as you can see, all the trim around the windows and the door handles and these cameras right here, they all have a satin black trim from Tesla. So that's a perfect match. And what's really nice also about these wheels is that they are designed to be used with the original 19-inch tire from Tesla. You get to use the original mounting hardware, also known as lug nuts. They accept the Tesla TPMS sensor, so no issues there. It's a perfect fit. This Model Y is done. Customers on their way to pick it up. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have a lot more Model Y content coming your way soon.